Now we're
Hey guys, now we're live. It's Lauren Phil with Outer Banks Olive Oil. We are here cooking a soup for you tonight. So we appreciate you joining in on our little cooking classes that we've got going every Tuesday night at 7 o'clock Eastern time. So if you're not on the East Coast, Eastern time.
the real time.
Yes. So Phil's going to start off telling you a little bit about what we're doing tonight. So we've got a really, really great, interesting vegetarian / vegan soup for you.
With some modifications.
They might be full modifications, but if you want to have a really, really yummy, like soup is cold, right? It's snowing like everywhere, although it was like 66 degrees here in the Outer Banks today, so it was
pretty gorgeous today.
Was kind of loving it. It was gorgeous. So, Phil, tell us about the soup.
We're going to be doing a chickpea tomato soup. So we're going to get that started and get some of the stuff going. We're going to pop in our featured olive oil tonight. We're doing the herbs de Provence. So we're going to start with a tablespoon of that. Lovely Laura's going to pour that in there. Get that going here.
So we're just going to put a tablespoon in. And herbs de Provence is pretty yummy. So we're just doing a tablespoon here. So
then we'll get some chopped celery that I got already chopped up for you guys, so you don't have to watch me chop. We've got some carrots as well. Get those in there. Nice big onion that I got chopped up. Got a little teary-eyed for you on that one. Pop those guys in there. All right. And then we'll give that a couple minutes here to get softened up before we get going on the next ingredient.
So we've got it on medium-high heat, so we're just going to soften all those vegetables several minutes before we're going to add the rest of your soup components. So tonight we are using the herbs de Provence olive oil, and this one has been, I know it smells so good. It's our most popular oil is our Tuscan herb, but I think a lot of people don't give the herbs de Provence a chance.
Right.
So instead of like our Tuscan being Italian, this is from the Provence region of France, which uses an abundance of different herbs and a lot of the same herbs that they use in like Italian seasonings, which is actually like very American. But this comes from the Provence region. So we are tonight doing a wine pairing because why not cook with wine?
Right.
So I grabbed a bottle of Chianti. So this is the Rocca del Mesi Chianti. This is from Tuscany. So what makes herbs de Provence so great? It's like one of the most wine-friendly herbs. So really, really, really super good with Chianti or Italian reds. And then also we're going to be adding tomatoes to this soup. So that's going to make it really, really, really pair nicely with our Italian reds. Other options would be doing like a Southern Rhone blend, like a Syrah and Grenache based blend. So that would be another option to pair with this soup. But like we said, the herbs de Provence is the most wine friendly like herb combination.
Just like the French to have an herb blend that's great for wine, right? Everything
Yeah,
goes with wine.
and you might be wondering like what's in herbs de Provence, right? So thyme, rosemary, tarragon, marjoram, oregano, bay leaf, and lavender. Provence is really, really, really known for its lavender, and also its rosé. So if you want to give those a kind of try too. So, but make sure you check out the herbs de Provence, and if you can, share and comment on our video and like it, because it really, really helps us. And if you could comment like one of your favorite oils, maybe it's the Tuscan, like maybe it's the garlic, maybe it's the butter, or maybe your herbs de Provence is your favorite. Comment your favorite oil to use, and we will send you a coupon discount so you can order the herbs de Provence and get a discount. So you'll get a discount off of giving the herbs de Provence a try, or maybe it's your favorite already. So just go ahead and comment on the video, your favorite oil, and we will send you not only the recipe, we'll send you a link to this recipe, we will also send you that discount code. So, and we've got some couple of like fun things in the works too, so make sure we don't have to, but if you want to try any of these recipes, take pictures, save them. So we've got some ideas that for those of you that are watching and are trying some of our recipes, we really, really appreciate it. And don't forget to share them with your friends if you are enjoying it.
Take some pictures, share those pictures with us, whether they turn out well or not so well.
So we've got this on medium, high heat. All we're doing is softening all of the different carrots and celery and onions.
Let that olive oil kind of get in there a little bit, kind of soak in some of that.
And we're going to use the olive oil again to finish our soup too. So it's extremely aromatic. It's super fun. You can use it on like tons of other things. So roast chicken, turkey, vegetables. Use it on any of your meats or fish even. So, and then it also can pair with some of our other different balsamic vinegars, like the lavender for one. We have that, so that would be an obvious choice.
So. A little salt and pepper in here as well.
Sounds really, really good. So
yeah,
we'll kind of like, do you want me to show?
Yeah.
Here. So this is just like really colorful. Very. Can everyone see? I guess we can see.
Yeah, we can maybe
so yeah, so we're just kind of like we'll keep softening everything, just getting it all kind of ready before we're gonna add all the rest of the ingredients, which we have our chickpeas, tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, and chicken broth, and basil too.
What are
so
chickpeas?
Chickpeas are high in protein. I'm so glad you asked, Phil. Chickpeas are really high in protein, and they're a great alternative to meat if you are trying to do a vegetarian or vegan diet. And they're great for digestion and also weight loss, as well as some other health kind of benefits to it too. So anyway, Phil's trying our wine. Remember I said we always need to be drinking wine with our meal. So.
All right, I think we got about 5 minutes on that, so good and softened.
We are ready to add the rest. Okay, I gotta drink. Hold on.
Important steps. Take a sip first before moving on. It's in the recipe, I think.
Okay, so I have the chickpeas, which are garbanzo beans. So we already drained them. They're in the can.
Yep. Drain and rinse them.
Yeah.
We pop them back in the can, but
gonna just add those in there as well.
give it a little stir.
And then you can do your diced tomatoes, dice them yourself, or do canned diced tomatoes.
There we go. Pop those in there. We get our chicken broth in there as well. You can do chicken broth or you can do vegetable broth, depending on what you want to do. If you wanted to make this not a vegetarian meal, you could add some meat in as well. So chicken would be a great option. So some shredded chicken would be awesome in this. And you can put that in at this point as well.
And this is making a really, really, really large pot. So does it say how many servings on there? I don't think it does. So just know it's making a big pot of soup. So you'll have plenty. You could freeze it too if you want to. So this is a really great lunch if you're trying to eat healthy. You know, like a lot of us are. I'm trying to. I'm working out so much, but anyway, try and eat healthy. And so what else do we need to add? Oh, our basil.
Our basil.
So got our basil.
Got our fresh basil.
And are we gonna add our cheese? Is this all portioned out though?
That is not portioned out.
Okay.
I went ahead and...
This seemed like a lot of cheese.
Yeah.
So a quarter of a cup, not gonna measure, just gonna eyeball.
And cheese, you can always just add more than...
Well, yeah, I mean, you kind of can't. So Parmesan cheese, grate it or buy it already grated, whatever's easier for you.
Give that a nice little spin around in there. Awesome.
So right now we have this like beautiful soup. We're just gonna keep it, letting it simmer, and for purposes of our video, and so that we would actually want to cook that down, probably 8 or 9 more minutes.
Yep.
Then we're gonna be adding some spinach and a bay leaf. So we've got some greens here.
Yep. Get a little spinach down in there, let that kind of cook down a little bit. Yeah, it's kind of like chili. Longer it simmers, get some of those flavors going in there. It's great the next day as well. So the large portion is a good way to go. Put it together. Today we're doing lunch, right? So this is our lunch
Right.
version. So
I feel like this
chicken
took us
soup.
like maybe 15 minutes. I mean, we had to cut up everything, so it took a little bit longer. But yeah.
I don't remember you being in here when the cutting is happening, but that's okay.
I supervised.
Yeah.
I'm someone else. So we hope that you will like, comment, and share our videos and enjoy this soup. And if you happen to make it, we'd love for you to take pictures, share what you thought. Maybe you add meat, maybe you don't. Maybe the chickpeas are just enough protein. Remember, they're like they're vegan and vegetarian friendly. So we're just gonna scoop some in the bowl a little bit. We're gonna top it with our herbs de Provence.
Give a little topping on there. Oh yeah. Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Right. Give a little
Looks like
look
a
at that.
really, really yummy,
Yummy.
soup. So thank you all for joining us. We are Laura and Phil, and remember, you can comment, share, and like.
Yep.
And if you comment your favorite oil, whether it's the herbs de Provence or something else, Tuscan or butter or mushroom and sage or whatever your favorite one is, we will send you a coupon discount code so that you can try the herbs de Provence. So it's a discount off a bottle of the herbs de Provence, and then you could just add it to maybe other things that you want to stock up on. Absolutely. And yeah, so please share. Yeah, thank you. We're Laura and Phil from Outer Banks Olive Oil. Guys, have a great night. Thanks for joining us.
Cheers.